Social media influencer Kamal Kaur was found dead in the parking lot of Adesh Medical University on Bathinda Chandigarh National Highway late last night. Police officials have said that Kamal Kaur's family has been informed. Initial circumstances suggest that Kamal Kaur has been murdered. Police officials now saying that they are investigating the matter, and more details will emerge after the case is investigated thoroughly. We will be getting you more on that in just a bit. That's one of the videos of this influencer Kamal Kaur that we are showing to you on your TV screens there, and we understand her body has been found in the parking lot of a medical university in Chandigarh. This is Bathinda Chandigarh National Highway. This is where the university is located, and police officials now are saying that after further investigation into the matter, they'll be able to inform as to what went wrong in the case, whether this is a case of suicide or it's a case of murder. My colleague Gurpreet Chinna is also now joining us on the broadcast here. Gurpreet, what more details do we have? What we are given to understand is that through preliminary investigation, it's also being said that Kamal Kaur could have been murdered. Any details about that?
Well, that is the major part of investigation which has been initiated by the local police. They say the way they have recovered this body from a car, immediately they have also called their parents to just know that how did it happen, and they say on 19th of June this influencer, she has left her house from Ludhiana to just promote some event, but unfortunately this incident had taken place in the preliminary investigation. They are trying to probe this case as an angle with an angle of murder. They are saying multiple level investigation have already been initiated, and they are trying to procure CCTV camera footage from nearby spots so that they will be able to understand whether she was murdered and after that the body was dumped in that locality, or there is another angle behind this whole case. So all these angles are being probed, and they have already initiated investigation into this matter to just find out whether she was murdered and whether there was an enmity behind this murder or there is some another angle behind this whole case. Back to studio.
Thanks so much, Gurpreet Chinna, for getting us those details there. Please keep an eye on the developments here. We will get back to you as more updates come in. All right, this is the latest that's coming in at the moment. That's the video of this influencer also that we're playing out on your TV screens there. Her body was found in this parking lot near the university, we are given to understand. All right, I'm being told that Gurpreet has some more information. He's joining us back on the broadcast. Gurpreet, any information what the police is saying so far? You've said that initial investigation suggests it could be a case of murder. Anything that has come out so far as to any sort of rivalry this girl has had with anybody, or what are the family members really saying? All right, Gurpreet will be back with us in just a bit. Meanwhile, this is the latest that's coming in at the moment. Influencer Kamal Kaur has been found dead, and we understand the social media influencer's body was found in a parked car near the National Highway, Bathinda Chandigarh National Highway, and this was the parking lot, we understand, of Adesh Medical University where her body was found. Police is still investigating the case. They have not been able to find out more about this so far, but my colleague Gurpreet is tracking the case. He is getting us more on that. What we are given to understand so far is that there is a possibility that the influencer could have been killed, her body dumped in the parking lot. However, there is no confirmation yet on that, but this is through prelim investigation that's coming out at the moment. This is also being known that this social media influencer is a resident of Ludhiana, and she was quite popular. She has over 3 lakh followers on Instagram. All right, my colleague Gurpreet back with us on the broadcast here. Gurpreet, we believe you have more information with you. Any details? What are the family members first of all saying? And also anything that is being known about this influencer, whether she had any sort of rivalry with anybody?
Well, what we have learned, the police have already recorded the statement of the family member, and with the statement they have learned on 9th of June, this influencer, she has left her residence from Ludhiana to promote some product, and for that program she was supposed to come to Bathinda. But unfortunately, the police recovered that dead body from the car near a hospital, and after that multi-level investigation had already been initiated by the police. They say in the preliminary investigation, one of the prominent angle which is coming out that was murder, because the way they had recovered that body, they have already called a forensic expert, they have called scientific investigation and a scientific examination of the body, so that they will be able to get leads. What we have learned from the police official, they say whether there is a rivalry angle or other angle, they are not in a position to reveal much about this case, because if it was a murder, they wanted to first nab the culprit, so that the whole theory and whole angle should be explored in this case. As of now, we have seen what they are trying to do. They are trying to get the CCTV camera footage, and they are trying to find out the route through the mobile phone data, so that from the tower location they will be able to find out the whole route map, and they will be able to get CCTV footage from the various locations, so that they will be able to connect all the dots in this case. So we have to wait and watch how the investigation will be unfolded. But as of now, we have seen multiple questions were being raised by the family members, the way this body had been recovered, and moreover the way the police had recovered the body, because body was lying on the back seat of the car, and that was one of the major suspicion by the police, why they have initiated investigation on the charges of murder in this case. But
What
they
is
say
also being
they are
known is
trying to
that
get
this
all the
girl
detail,
was
they
a
are trying to
well-known
investigate.
social media influencer. She had a notable presence on social media, at least more than 3 lakh followers she had on Instagram. What kind of posts or reels would she post on her social media account? What do you know about that? We are also because given to understand that she has been involved in several controversies also online earlier.
Well, that is the part of investigation which has already been initiated. But she has been promoting multiple products also. She has been speaking on the various issues also. And that was also one of the main question by the police, whether there was any business rivalry behind this murder or not. So they are looking into all these angles to probe, to find out that what was main reason for the murder. And as I have already told you, they have already called all the forensic expert to get more leads into this case. They are trying to get the scientific investigation by procuring multiple CCTV camera footage from the various locations, so that they will be able to get some clinching evidence in this case, and they will be able to carry forward this investigation to just understand what was the motive behind this murder and why she was being targeted and how it was being executed. Because the way the car had been parked near the hospital and body was recovered, the moment somebody had smelled fall from that car, and immediately he informed the local police station and the police control room, and the control room had given the information to the top officer, and finally they have recovered that body, and now they have already started investigation into this matter. So as of now, what we can understand, multiple angles are being explored by the police, but they are not revealing much about the investigation, because they just want to nab the culprit behind this murder case, and they are trying to get all the
we will play out that soundbite of the SP of Bathinda, Narendra Singh, in just a bit. What I'm learning at the moment is that what the cops are saying at the moment is that prima facie she was not killed here. The car was left here with the body inside, and there is something fishy. This is what the police is saying. All right, let's play that out.
देखो दोनों चीज़ें पॉसिबिलिटी हो सकता भी जी, क्योंकि मोस्ट प्रॉब्ली जी हैगी जिदा के प्राइमा फसाई है लगता तो इदा ही भी यदि डैथ इतने नहीं हुई, डैथ कितने होर हुई है। जो बंदा है उन्हें इतने छड्ड के गया गड्डी दे विच। सो पोस्टमार्टम रिपोर्ट के क्लीयर हो जाएगा कि मर्डर है। तो बाकी जो है प्राइमा फसाई लग रहा है भी कुछ डेफिनेटली समथिंग फिश इज़ देयर।